you may even want to remove this. You may even want to remove this. Okay. And look maybe to on the bring the camera this way.
Okay.
Yes.
Or maybe I should go to the admin. Let me go and
Yes. So we can start.
also go to
What do you have?
don't forget
This is that I will shift it. Maybe this is that I suggest it.
it may not be very clear if you are zooming.
So we need to, so that people online can see. Right?
Okay, so that they can see.
But this way they can see.
I think it's fine. Don't
Check
be
it on another screen. Check it on my computer screen.
I'm using glasses and yet I can't see it. Right? Your manage, but is this on how many megapixels are you using on this camera? Is it 24 or 84 or
It's ready.
So-
13C.
13C, right? So you need to check the camera settings for the largest resolution. Usually it's the default. Okay, fine.
That's 1%.
I said
because you have been
like
using it.
this. I don't know why it's not.
So you are seeing it with
Or
different
should
from
we, or is it the light that is reflecting?
Or should we
Because
do
when you
something?
shift
Is
to
there a way?
Can you see this like it's clearer?
Yeah, like
It's reflection. Should we quickly change it?
So we cannot get it together because of those things that we see.
what if you make this faces direction?
Okay.
You change this to faces direction.
Okay, the board is
Instead of
okay.
Anybody knows you will not be concentrating on the board at all times. Just for you have to
What he
also
said
show.
he wants is when he's presenting, you should on the board.
yeah, so that people can see what is on the screen. But
Because we also
once
need
that
to,
is
you know,
done,
it's going to be online. We also need your face. Even this one. It's not.
And the
Yeah.
sound will be
okay, so
This
what,
sound will be
do you have any means of sharing two screens, projecting one thing or the other? It's using vMix. So you get camera from this, then I can give you the slides, then you can alternate.
See, we are just starting, not this.
Maybe.
Because number one is that you know, I recorded online.
Yes, I know what I'm saying.
It's your face, you need to. And then when you mention something and we need to see on the audio, it takes.
Yeah, you can do it. You can still do it if you don't. You do vMix, right?
That's what he was trying to tell me.
Okay.
I told you that we are live here already. Maybe I should get.
Yes, you can still do
so
that. You can
that.
still do that. This can capture the faces and everything. Then
That one
I will share the slides with him or so that while he shares, they can swap
I hope
as
it
it
will not,
goes
it will
on.
not affect you.
No, this will just be like this.
And he will be getting the audio and video from this. So I think you
I don't want
can
you to
do that.
complicate what
No, not complicated.
Yeah.
I don't want to confirm if you have that. It's fine. Yes, you need to check that one. There's a way you can check and the background is there. You can also check you can reduce the aperture. But this
This is already live.
so you cannot check any settings.
Right to stop.
You cannot start.
I don't want to stop, but I'm looking a way that it will capture the display, not this side, not this side.
Yeah, that's it's fine.